Welcome back to the Auto Snuff channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. The 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro is set to redefine the full-size SUV segment with its rugged capabilities, modern technology, and powerful performance. Designed for adventure enthusiasts, the TRD Pro variant brings off-road prowess, durability, and a commanding presence on the road. Toyota has built on its legacy by enhancing the Sequoia's design, comfort, and performance features, making it a top contender in its class. The 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro receives several updates that improve both its aesthetics and functionality. Exterior enhancements: a more aggressive front fascia with a redesigned grille, updated LED headlights, and a reinforced front bumper. Lighter and stronger build. Improved use of high-strength aluminum and lightweight materials for better efficiency and durability. Upgraded off-road features. Enhanced suspension tuning, new all-terrain tires, and reinforced skid plates for increased off-road capability. Updated technology. A larger infotainment system, improved driver assistance features, and a new digital instrument cluster. The cabin of the 2026 Sequoia TRD Pro is designed to offer both comfort and utility. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and modern tech make it a well-rounded SUV for both long road trips and extreme off-road adventures. Spacious seating accommodates up to 7 passengers with captain's chairs in the second row. Advanced infotainment. A 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Luxury features: leather-trimmed seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof enhance the premium feel. Cargo versatility. Power-folding third-row seats and a spacious cargo area make it practical for carrying gear and luggage. The 2026 Sequoia TRD Pro is powered by Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. Engine specs: a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine paired with an electric motor. Power output 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. Transmission: 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive shifts. Off-road performance: standard 4-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, and crawl control for superior handling on rough terrain. Towing capacity: capable of towing up to 9,500 pounds, making it ideal for hauling trailers and boats. The 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro is expected to arrive in dealerships by late 2025. Pricing is anticipated to start around $78,000, with fully loaded models reaching upwards of $85,000. The 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro is a perfect blend of rugged performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether tackling off-road trails or cruising on highways, it promises a versatile and exciting driving experience. With its impressive powertrain and modern updates, it is set to be one of the most desirable full-size SUVs of the year. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.